What's going on, y'all?
So hot.
Welcome to the Sunshine State Garden channel.
So freaking bloated.
If you can't see what that is, those are mangoes. And this is a mango tree. And I can't wait till these mangoes are ready. Y'all see them? Look at them. Yeah. Look at all the mangoes. Ooh, look at these. Look at this. Look at all the mangoes. Oh yeah, I can't wait. Let me get up and close so y'all see them. I'm gonna be showing y'all all type of exotic fruit down here in South Florida. We're gonna start off with the mangoes. Nice juicy mangoes. I can't wait till they're ready. We're gonna keep track of these. When these ready, we're gonna find out what type of mangoes these are. Unless y'all already know what mangoes these are, y'all let me know. Look at all of them up there. Look at all of them up there. You see? Dozens and dozens. Oh yes. I don't know. Y'all give me some ideas what we should do when we get these mangoes. Should we juice them? We gonna eat them. But should we juice them? I don't know. Maybe we can make some nice salads with them. Put them in some nice dish to eat. Maybe make some mango sauce. Some mango barbecue sauce to put on some chicken. Y'all give me some ideas. Let me know. They've been out here for about a few weeks now. They probably got like a few weeks left. Look at them. I can't wait. They're just so beautiful. This ain't the garden, but this is just one of the trees that's in the backyard. We got other trees as well, but this is nice old mango tree in the backyard. Then I'm gonna show y'all the garden that wifey working on, where you have your own type of organic type plants and vegetables, stuff you can use for seasoning, onions, garlic, all in your backyard. You don't need that much space. Take a look at them. Look at all this stuff. This is just the beginning. A lot of this we started weeks ago, as you can tell. We got tomatoes, potatoes, green onions, beets. You see the pineapples. I think I already said tomatoes, potatoes. We got strawberries that we just brought from the store. We're gonna try to get those going. Yeah, so we got a lot for you now. Y'all can go ahead and see what we got. Maybe y'all want to get something started your own. Don't really know how to get started. We'll let you know how to get it going. We just transplanted this, if y'all seen a few minutes ago. We got strawberries. I forgot what that is, but wife will tell me what that is. Blueberries, Scotch bonnet. I think these are supposed to be some mint, but I don't know. I think we lost those. I forgot what the kids put in there. The kids' sunflowers.
What? No, that
You see the lavender. Oh, this is sour salt. And then we just brought a whole bunch of different type of mint. Don't worry, we gonna let y'all know what all this is. Rosemary, mint. We gonna have different videos out for these different type of plants. They gonna have their own little diary, and y'all will be able to keep up with them. I forgot what this is. I think this is man, this is your dragon. What you say this is? Your dragon fruit?
No, that's not my dragon fruit. That's the golden something. The dragon fruit is over here.
The golden something. Don't worry, we'll let y'all know. If you know, if you think you know, drop it in the comments. But we'll let you know. Golden Villa. I don't forgot what this was, but
that's my lemon balm.
Oh, this is a lemon balm. Oh, okay, that's the lemon balm. So we got a whole bunch of stuff in here. Now a lot of this stuff we're gonna have to redo because we're gonna make this bed strictly like stuff you can cut up and use in the kitchen. Like you see, we got the green onions. The garlic is somewhere here, you know, hiding. But we're gonna get these potatoes out of here. We're gonna get the tomatoes out of here. We're gonna put them in their own pots like this. And you see, these are already standing up. Remember I told you? Remember they was wilting? Now look, put water in there. A few minutes later, perking up. You want to definitely keep these plants hydrating while they're fruiting. You want to give them as much energy as possible. You don't want them lacking any type of water, sunlight, nutrients. So you want to keep them babies juiced up, fed up. And as you can see, we in the sunshine state. So when the sun is out, the sun is out. So you're gonna have to make sure when your plants the roots start filling up in the pot, you want to make sure your soil stays wet or hydrated, because if not, if you go a day without it watering, 2 days without watering, your plants will probably die, especially out here. So definitely keep them watering, keep them watered. We got to get those water catchers for these pots, and then like I said, we're gonna transplant this in a bigger pot. These ones that take up all the space, they're gonna be in their own pot. Potatoes, tomatoes, the pineapples, we're gonna take all that out, put all kitchen essential seasoning in this pot. That way we can just come out here and cut. She done already been cutting them, and you see them little snips. You can cut them, reuse them. You got unlimited green onions. Look at this. Look how big those is. Look at this. But don't worry, well, I'm gonna do separate channels for these so y'all can keep up. If y'all like certain things, you may not like everything in the garden. So we're gonna make sure we're gonna keep everything separate. But I just want to let y'all know what's going on here. And you see Bay right here doing something right now.
See, that one's moldy.
What's that?
These are my tulips, but I don't think they died. I think I can get the bulbs to grow back. You see?
She getting those started. You see the lavender. This lavender smells so good. We got this about a week or two ago, and I don't think they was actually budding yet.
See? It's not dead. See that?
But yeah, this is the garden. This is the Sunshine State Garden. And this is just the start of it. We had gardens before, but we didn't keep track. Well, not that we didn't keep track, but we didn't keep video track of them. But we're gonna start letting y'all know how we do it, because we've been doing this for a while now. So we'll let you know what not to do, how not to waste your time. Like for instance, you definitely want these type of the potatoes and tomatoes. You want them in their own pot. But we just threw seeds out here and just want them to grow. And then they grew so fast, we just didn't worry about transplanting them. But you see, we transplanted these, and these caught within like 2 days. These tomatoes was right, I think it was like right up in this area, right there. That area you see, that's where they was at. Transplanted them, put it in that pot. Took about 2 days for them to catch. Remember, you got to keep them watered. When they ain't established, you got to keep them watered, because if not, they'll dry out and they'll die. Some of them they'll probably catch if you get them before they actually die out, but most of the times you ain't gonna be able to get them back. And y'all see the blueberries. You see we got a blueberry right there almost ready. Nice little pretty blue, a little violet, purple. Like I say, there's a lot of stuff. We'll get into the names of them. I just want to give y'all a sneak peek what's going on. But if y'all like what y'all see, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button. You know, whatever the 3-piece is, y'all do the 3-piece. Subscribe, like, comment. Yeah, that's what it is. Subscribe, like, comment. That's what they be saying. So go ahead and do the 3-piece. And we'll try to post more frequently than not. I know we're gonna try at least do once a week, but if y'all want to see more content, more footage, then y'all just let us know. We'll post every few days, every other day. But we're gonna definitely keep our own footage daily, because you got to be out here pretty much daily to get it started. Once you get it started, you got your own system going, you know, you can just come out here and do minimum work. But This is just a start. And you see, this is just a little bit of space. This is probably like, I say, no more than 3 feet. I say 5 feet. No more than 5 feet by 5 feet. So you got space. You surely did. And then we got other plants back there. Y'all don't mind this back area. And then, of course, we're going to definitely keep track of these mangoes. Oh, yeah, these mangoes. All right, y'all. I ain't going to hold y'all too long. Just wanted y'all to get a sneak peek. But this is the Sunshine State Garden, and we signing off.